Ashley from Not a True Reviews. Oh, I'm getting comfy. And today I'm here with the Sips By package for March 2022. If you're not familiar with Sips By, this is a monthly customized tea subscription box. Every package includes a customized, meaning when you sign up for Sips By, they're going to ask you about your favorite teas and you're going to kind of tell them, and they're going to send you a set of 4 different teas. Enough for I think 15 plus cups, some loose, some bagged, totally different every month, based on that profile. And from there, once you get your teas and try them out, you can go on Sips By's website and kind of say, yeah, I like this, or no, I didn't like that. Also for subscribers, when you go on their website, you can get coupons to buy more on the retailer's website. So this is my March box from Sips By. Every package is $15. I will link down below to my affiliate link for Sips By so you can check them out. I will also link to my review on my blog. Hi, buddy. You gonna come here? No, he's just gonna sniff all my stuff. I did a massive unboxing. There's a whole bunch of stuff over there. Sorry for that. So basically, you open it up. You have a little paper that tells you all about the different teas that you received. You have a packet of disposable tea bags in a reusable sachet. I actually love to use this for making chicken soup. You put the neck in here, anything with a lot of little bones. Boom. Right, Henry? All right. First up, we have 2 packets of loose tea from David's Tea. This is the Winter Earl Grey. This is a festive bergamot classic. So that sounds yummy. Black tea, pink pepper, white tea with natural cream and vanilla flavoring, cornflower petals, bergamot oil, natural orange flavoring. Sounds yummy. Then we have some, there's got to be more bags of this, right? Okay, yeah. There's almost always 4 bags of everything, but this is probably equals about what they usually have in one little loose leaf bag. All right, so then we have 4 bags of this tea from Shangri-La. It's an organic green tea, finest organic China green tea leaves. It's caffeinated. This is a low caffeine level, so you can have it like in the afternoon or something where you kind of don't want like a lot of caffeine, but you could use a little pick-me-up, you know? So there are 4 bags of that. By the way, I do love, I always say this in my videos, just to kind of give you guys a primer on what I like. I like a mix of herbal and caffeinated. I also like floral teas. It's just thing that I love. All right, so this is from OT's. There are 4 of these bags. This is the orange and ginger, naturally caffeine and gluten-free. So this is orange and ginger flavored. In here we have flavored apple pieces, carrot flakes, white hibiscus, I've never heard of that, orange peels, candied ginger pieces, and freeze-dried orange. That's kind of cool. And mullein flowers, pink pepper and ginger. So there are 4 bags of that. That sounds really different. I'm actually really excited. I do love ginger. It's very warm. It's just, I like to have it late at night. It's just like kind of like warming and calming, I guess is the word I'd use. All right, so this is from Miracle Tree. Their teas are like crazy caffeinated. They get you like going. If you need like some spring cleaning boosts, Miracle Tree. This is, I've never tried this one. The purple package is new to me. There's 4 of these. This is the organic Moringa Superfood Energy Tea. This is oolong grape vanilla. That sounds crazy. Moringa, I was actually reading up. I think maybe it's something I need to try. It's apparently great for inflammation. I've been noticing that my knuckles, from just impact workouts, rheumatoid arthritis runs in my family. So does degenerative bone disease. So like I have to think about that in the long term, but like Moringa apparently helps with inflammation. I can feel like this knuckle here just always, like I can touch it. It hurts. Like, I don't know if that's normal, but, or if it's like muscle strain or if it's just the beginning of arthritis. Like, I don't know. Anyway, so Moringa helps with inflammation, and that's something that I'm going to have to start thinking about. So yes, so in my box, I got my 4 bags of Moringa tea, the OT's ginger orange tea, the green tea from Shangri-La, and the David's Winter Earl Grey. So that is everything that I received in my Sips By box. If you want to check them out, like I said, I will link to them below. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.